we have to subtract algebraic fractions. How we do this? We have to have the same denominator. So first, what I will do here, I will organize our denominator. So we will have negative y squared plus y plus 2 in the first denominator, 3 we copy, and minus we have 4 over the highest power is negative y squared plus 5y, and we have negative 6. So now we have general quadratic trinomial in the denominators. So first we will try to factorize. We will use grouping. We'll try to use grouping method. So let's check, because we have, let me copy first trinomial. We have negative y squared plus y plus 2. Because I have negative 1, invisible 1 here, so I have to multiply negative 1 times constant. This is negative 2. It means I have to find two numbers which I multiply, and I will have negative 2, and when I add these two numbers I will have 1. Coefficient before y is 1. So this is 2 and negative 1. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, and 2 plus negative 1 is 1. So now I can rewrite our trinomial. Negative y squared we will copy. Next I will put that this is plus 2y and minus 1y. I just have to use these numbers 2 and negative 1. I just rewrite y, that this is 2y minus 1y. Is still 1y, and plus 2. Now I can factorize negative y. So in parentheses I will have y minus 2, and from the second parenthesis I will factorize negative 1 from the second expression. So it will be y minus 2, because negative times negative give me positive. And now in the parentheses we have y minus 2. So I will factorize this expression, and in whatever left will be in the second parenthesis negative y, and we have negative 1. So now we can rewrite our first denominator. The same way we will try to do with the second denominator. Let me copy. We have negative y squared plus 5y minus 6. So first I have to multiply coefficient before y squared is negative 1 times negative 6. This is 6. So I need to find two numbers which product give me 6. And when I add these two numbers, I have to have 5. So it will be 2, of course, and 3, because 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 plus 3 is 5. So now I can rewrite our trinomial. Negative y squared I have to copy, and now 5y I can rewrite that this is 2y plus 3y, and we have minus 6. So this is equal. Now I can factorize negative y from the first two expressions, so it will be y and minus 2. Negative y times negative 2 give me positive 2y, so it's the same. And from the last two expressions I will factorize 3, so it will be y minus 2. Y minus 2 and y minus 2, so we can factorize y minus 2, and we have in parentheses whatever left, negative y plus 3. So now we can rewrite our two algebraic fractions. So first is 3 over, and our denominator is this, y minus 2 times negative y minus 1, and we have minus 4, and the second denominator will be y minus 2 times negative y plus 3. So now we have to find the least common denominator for these two algebraic fractions. How we do this? We just check the expression in the term in parentheses. So we have y minus 2 and y minus 2. So we need to put y minus 2. Next we have negative y, negative 1. And we don't have here, so we have to put this negative y and negative 1. And we have to check the second denominator. We have y minus 2, we have this. And we have negative y plus 3. We don't have, so we have to put times negative y plus 3. So now we have to check the first denominator. We have y minus 2, negative y, negative 1, yes, and we have times negative y plus 3. So it means we have to multiply this denominator by negative y plus 3, and if I multiply in denominator, I have to multiply numerator by the same term. And the second denominator, we have y minus 2, negative y plus 3, but we don't have this expression, so we have to multiply the second denominator by negative y and negative 1, the same with numerator. Always when we multiply denominator, we have to multiply numerator by the same expression. So now we have denominator and we have to do multiplication in the numerator. First numerator is 3 times negative y plus 3, so it will be negative 3y plus 9. And we have minus. The numerator must be the same. I will keep this order, negative y minus 1, negative y plus 3. And now we have 4 times negative y is negative 4y, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. This is equal. Now when we have the same denominators, we copy the numerator and we can subtract numerators. So we have negative 3y plus 9, and now we have to put negative sign and we have to open parentheses because before this whole expression we have negative sign. So we have to change the sign now. First we will take down the parentheses and multiply every expression in parentheses by negative 1. So this is equal we have denominator to copy. And we have negative 3y plus 9. Negative and negative give me positive 4y, and negative positive 4. So this is equal. So now we have to combine the like terms, negative 3y and positive 4y, so will be y, and 9 plus 4 is 13 over, we have y minus 2, and because we have here negative and negative, so I will factorize negative sign. I will put this in parentheses, it's like negative 1, and in parentheses we will have y plus 1 now. And here we have negative y plus 3. So if I factorize negative 1 and another negative 1 will reduce. So let's do this. And now in parentheses I will have y minus 3, because negative 1 times y is negative y, and negative 1 times 3 is positive 3. So everything is the same. I didn't change anything. And now numerator we will copy, and in the numerator we will have y minus 2. First I will put the term in parentheses, so this is y plus 1, and we have y minus 3. Negative 1 times negative 1 give me positive 1, so I don't have to put times 1. So this is my solution.